So I'd always had in the back of my mind this idea that, wow, you could run, you could rent out a room, you could make money, you could, this is a thing, but it was kind of new. And I always thought, oh, that would be fun. But before this house, we were living we were paying $2,800 a month for a 1-bedroom loft. And by 1-bedroom loft, I mean the bedroom is upstairs overlooking the living room. So there's no private door.
Yeah.
It's kind of totally open. And so we were like, well, we can't Airbnb anything right now because everything is open to everyone. But one day, maybe we'll be able to have a place where we could rent something out and make some income. And this kind of felt like a new thing. So I think thinking about Airbnb as kind of a new way to make money that wasn't really kind of well known yet, I think was what was exciting. And so when we first bought the place, we thought, oh, this is going to be an Airbnb thing. And only over time did we kind of switch to long-term tenants.